What if the greatest medical discovery in history happened because a scientist forgot to clean his lab? Yep, this is the true story of how a messy petri dish changed the world. This is Dr. Alexander Fleming. Brilliant scientist, terrible cleaner. Fleming once said, I should probably tidy up, but maybe later. He studied bacteria, tiny microbes that can make people sick. Fleming went on vacation, but he forgot to throw away some old petri dishes filled with bacteria. Those dishes just sat there, waiting. Kids, get ready. This is where the magic begins. Fleming returns and says, "All right, time to clean." Wait, what is that? One dish had grown a weird mold, but that wasn't the strange part. Around the mold, the bacteria were gone. Why would mold kill bacteria? Fleming realized, this mold, it's fighting the bacteria. It's making something powerful. The mold was called penicillium, and the substance it produced, penicillin, the world's first true antibiotic. Penicillin works by breaking down the walls of harmful bacteria. No walls, no bacteria. Suddenly, infections that once killed millions could be treated. During World War II, penicillin saved countless lives. It became one of the most important medicines ever discovered. Fleming joked, "All because I didn't clean my dish." Science isn't always about perfect plans. Sometimes the biggest discoveries come from curiosity and a little bit of messiness. So kids, maybe don't clean your room just yet. You might discover the next penicillin. Just kidding. Stay curious and keep exploring.